Bucky, can you tell us about your cookies?
Yeah, these are my famous Bucky's winter solstice cookies.
Oh,
Yeah. We got flour. I need baking soda and baking powder. This is sugar.
what's that?
This is butter that's been warmed many times. So good cookies are ones that aren't too sweet, that aren't too like hard, that are like still soft and a little bit gooey, and have no fruit in them, like rotten banana, because that'll ruin your cookie. I will now stir with the kitchen aid. So everyone take a moment to appreciate life, for it is precious. It is a matter of time before these cookies are no longer cookie dough. They already look great. That's how you know you're doing a good job.
Can I taste them?
You can have a little bit, but keep it sanitary. Please use a utensil.
So good.
If this isn't the reaction you have when trying the cookie dough, you know you messed up. This is the best part. Opening the oven, and they will now bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Now come in close. Notice the cookie in column 3, row 2. I'm looking forward to that one the most.
Don't you like them gooey?
I also like them gooey, but the recommended amount of time was 8 minutes. Do those look done?
Yes, they look wonderful.
They're a nice color. These might be the best cookies I've ever made. I think they're gonna not be too sweet and be perfect. I also have a feeling that tomorrow when I wake up at 4 p.m., they will all be gone. Here you go, judges.